In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds using the Uber Pro Card app. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to using digital financial tools, we'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Uber Pro Card app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, be sure to download it from your app store. Once you've launched the app, you'll be greeted with the home screen, which hosts a variety of features and options. But today, we're focusing on adding funds to your wallet. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Wallet tab within the app. This tab is your central hub for managing your finances. It's where you can view your balance, track transactions, and of course, add funds. Once you're in the Wallet section, look for the option that says Add Funds. Tapping on this will initiate the process of increasing your monetary balance within the app. You'll now see several options for adding funds. What we're interested in today is selecting Direct Deposit. Direct Deposit is a convenient and efficient way to add funds as it automatically transfers earnings or payments into your account. By choosing this option, you'll set up a seamless transfer of funds from an employer or other income source directly to your Uber Pro Card account. After tapping on Direct Deposit, you'll be prompted to generate a form. The app will present you with a list of popular employers. If your employer is on this list, go ahead and select them. But if your employer isn't listed, don't worry. You'll want to choose the option titled Have Another Direct Deposit. This gives you the ability to customize your setup to ensure everything is tailored to your specific needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll be ready to complete the form. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately, as this information is crucial for setting up your direct deposit correctly. After completing the form, it's time to agree to the terms and conditions. Be sure to read through these terms so you're fully informed about how the process works. Finally, you'll tap on Send to email the form to your payroll department. This will kickstart the process of authorizing your direct deposit. Alternatively, you can choose other options if you prefer. These options might include printing, saving, or sending the form in a different way that best suits your needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your funds effectively with the Uber Pro Card app. Remember, keeping track of your finances and knowing how to add funds is essential for maintaining control over your financial health. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy spending.